In this video, you will learn how to tabulate in Excel. First, you have to open your Microsoft Excel, and you will type all the answers of your respondents in the Excel. After you type all the answer of your respondents, now you will calculate the count n. To get the answer on the count n, you will write equal sign count a, open parentheses, and highlight 1 to 40 on the B letter, and then close parentheses and enter. Then you will get the count, and then you will get the amount of the respondents who did not answer on your question. So the formula is on how to get the not answered is equal sign count blank, open parentheses, and then highlight 1 to 40 and close parentheses, and then enter. And then you will get the total amount or the total respondents that did not answer. The next one, and then you will get the total amount, the total. So the formula is equal sign sum, close parentheses, drag for count n and answer, then close parentheses, and then there you go, the answer, the total. So it is a 40. Now you will get the total amount of the respondents that answer strongly agree on the questions. So the formula on how to get the amount of the respondents who answer strongly agree is equal sign count if, open parentheses, highlight 1 to 40, and then close parentheses, highlight 1 to 40, then comma, double quotation, strongly agree, right? Strongly agree, and then double quotation again, and then close parentheses, and then enter. So there you get the total amount of respondents who answer strongly agree. To make the value constant, you will put $sign on the between numbers and letters, and before a you will put also a $sign to make the value constant. Next, you will get the total amount of the respondents who answered agree on the questions. So the formula on how to get the total amount of the respondents who answer agree is equal sign count if, close parentheses, open parentheses, and then highlight 1 to 40, and then comma, you put a comma, double quotation, write agree, and double quotation, and then close parentheses and enter. And there you get the equal amount of the amount of the respondents who answer agree. Now you will get the total amount of the persons or respondents who answer disagree. So the formula is the same as the first one, equal sign count if, open parentheses, highlight 1 to 40, and then you put a comma, double quotation, write disagree, double quotation, disagree, double quotation and then double quotation and you enter, and then you will get the total amount of the respondents that answered disagree. Then we will go to the last answer that will be the respondents that strongly disagree. To get the amount of the respondents who answer strongly agree is the formula of that is equal sign, same as the first one, you put a equal sign, count blank, equal sign, count blank, equal sign, count if, open parenthesis, you highlight 1 to 40, and then comma, double quotation, and you write strongly disagree, double quotation again, and close parenthesis, and then enter. And then you will get the total amount of the respondents who answered strongly disagree. Now we go to the total amount of the respondents who answered. For the formula is equal sign, sum, open parenthesis, you highlight strongly agree to strongly disagree, and then close parenthesis, and then enter. Then you will get the total amount of the respondents. And now we will get the percentage of them, the numbers of the respondents who answer strongly agree on the questions. So the formula on how to get the percentage of the total amount of the respondents who answer strongly agree is the formula is equal sign, highlight strongly agree the answer, and then division the total and enter. And then you will get the percentage of the amount or the total person, the percentage of total person who answer strongly agree. And the next is to make the value, the percentage, the amount of percentage constant. You also put a dollar sign between the numbers and the letters, so that the value of the percentage will be constant. Next, we will get the percentage of the respondents who answer agree on the question. The formula on how to get the percentage of the respondents who answer agree is the equal sign, highlight agree, the answer of the agree, the total respondents who answer agree, and then divide into the total amount of the person who answered. Then enter, and then you get the amount or the percentage of the respondents who answered agree. The next is we will get the percentage who answered disagree. So the formula on how to get the percentage of the respondents who answered agree is equal sign, highlight disagree, divide and then the total, and then enter. Then you will get the percentage of the respondents who answer disagree. The next one is we will get the percentage of the respondents who answer strongly disagree. So same process as the other. The formula of on how to get the percentage of the respondents who answer strongly disagree is the equal sign The formula on how to get the percentage of the respondents who answer strongly disagree is you highlight equal sign, highlight strongly disagree, and then divide into the total, and then enter. Then you will get the amount of the percentage who answer strongly disagree. And then the next one is the total. So how will you get the total percentage of the respondents who answer? Then the formula is equal sign, count if, then highlight the answer of strongly, the answer of strongly disagree, agree, disagree, and strongly disagree percentage, and close parenthesis, and then you enter. Then you will get, after that, you will get the total amount, the total percentage of the respondents who answered and the questions. After you get all the answers, then you make the value constant. Then you will drag the equal amount to the letter K so that it will automatically put the numbers on the letters or on the corresponding letters on how many percentage and how many amount of respondents answered in that particular questions. So it is the easy way to calculate the amount of percentage and the equal amount of the respondents who answer to put a dollar sign to make the value constant, so that you will automatically just drag the amount to the letter K to get the total amount of each questions, so that it is the easiest way and the fastest way to answer all the questions. Next, we will make a graph. When we make a graph, we still have to put the data, the questions, the answers, the percentage of each response of the respondents, the percentage of strongly agree, the percentage on the agree, the percentage of the disagree, and the percentage of the strongly disagree. After we put the data, all the data in the graph, all the data in the table, we will move to make a graph. On that
the specific data you put in the table. You will not get you will never, or you will not make a graph if you have no data to make a graph. So first you will do is you you must you must put a data on, or you must put the percentage, the amount of each response, so that you will make a graph. After you put all the data on the table, now we will make a graph. First thing you will do is you highlight the strongly agree, the percentage, the answers, the answers of agree. Then you will put a graph. You tap the insert and then you will find that sign, graph sign, and then you will pick what what formation or what kind of graph you will put on the particular Excel or the data. So I choose 2D because that is what we will use. So we will put a 2D, then that's it. You can make a graph. Thank you. I hope you learn something from this video, and thank you very much for listening.